Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I come back with another example on double integration. This is the problem today. Evaluate double integral of the function x square plus y square with respect to y and with respect to x, where R is the region in the positive quadrant for which x plus y is less than or equal to 1. Okay, please try to understand the region here first. Okay, here a straight line is provided to you. What is it? X plus y is equal to 1. X plus y is equal to 1 is the given straight line, equation of the straight line. Okay, less than or equal to means our region is below of the line. Okay, this is the coordinate system. Everybody knows that this is x-axis and this is the y-axis, and the structure of the x plus y is equal to 1 is a straight line which cuts both positive x-axis and negative x-axis in this way. This is the structure of the straight line x plus y is equal to 1, but our region is lies in the positive quadrant and below of this straight line. Less than or equal to means below of the straight line. If there is greater than or equal to 1 symbol, then you have to take the integration in the right hand side. In upward direction, you should take the integration when you have x plus y is greater than or equal to 1. This is our given region. You should draw this figure here. Okay, and one more important thing is, everybody knows that this is origin, and what is this intersecting point? What is this intersecting point? This intersecting point lies on x-axis, and on x-axis y is always 0. If we substitute y is equal to 0 in the equation, you will get x is equal to 1. Okay, if y is equal to 0, then what is x? 1 from this equation. Okay, so that's why this intersecting point is 1 comma 0. And what about this intersecting point? This intersecting point lies on y-axis, and every point on y-axis x coordinate is 0. If x is equal to 0, substitute x is equal to 0 in this main equation, you will get y is equal to 1. So if if x is equal to 0, you will get y is equal to 1. That's why this intersecting point is 0 comma 1. This intersecting point is 0 comma 1. Okay, please start the solution. In every problem in the double integration over a given region, first you should understand about the region. If we draw the region, then limits, we will get the limits automatically. Okay, given that R is the region in the positive quadrant below of the straight line x plus y is equal to 1. Okay, don't get confusion by seeing the symbol less than or equal to 1. Less than or equal to 1 represents below of the straight line. Greater than or equal to represents above of the straight line. Okay, so this is the straight line 1. Clearly, this straight line 1 intersects at 1 comma 0, and clearly equation number 1 intersects x-axis at 1 comma 0 and y-axis at 0 comma 1. So we are getting the vertices of the region also. Okay, now consider the given double integral. Consider double integral of x square plus y square dy dx over r is equal to, first we fix the x limits. First we fix the x limits as constants. What are the x limits? See the x coordinates in the vertices. There are 3 vertices in the region. Okay. In all 3 points, minimum value of x is 0 and maximum value of x is 1. That's why lower limit of x is 0 and upper limit of x is 1. So x is varies from 0 to 1 along x axis. And now it is enough to find out y limits in terms of x. You should find out y limits in terms of x. For y limits, always, already I told in the previous videos also, in the previous sessions also, we discussed about the y limits. You should take a vertical strip. What is this? Vertical strip. This vertical strip gives the limits of y in terms of x. Lower part, this is the lower part of the vertical strip. What is it? X-axis. What is the equation of x-axis? Y is equal to 0. That's why lower limit is y is equal to 0. And what is this? This is the upper part. This is the upper part of the vertical strip. What is this upper part? X plus y is equal to 1. In this x plus y is equal to 1, what is y value? 1 minus x. In this way, from the equation of the straight line, otherwise from the equation of the given r, you should reduce y limits in terms of x, which is very, very important. Okay. Almost in each and every problem on double integral over r, y limit should be in x and x limit should be constant. If the given region like a square, otherwise a rectangular box, in that case only both limits of x and y limits are constants. Okay. In all other cases, x limit should be constant and y limit should be in terms of x. Don't forget it. Now write the given function, which is x square plus y square of dy dx. So it is enough to calculate the integration value. First, take the integration of the function with respect to y. In this case, x square is constant. So integral x is equal to 0 to 1. Okay, open a bracket. Integral x square with respect to y is x square y. Because x square is constant, it is enough to write the integration of 1 dy, which is y, plus integral y square with respect to y cube by 3. Integration with respect to y is completed. That's why you should apply limits of y, which are 0 to 1 minus x into dx. Now apply the upper limit. Integral x is equal to 0 to 1 x square into, whenever we have y, replace it by upper limit, which is 1 minus x, plus 1 minus x whole cube by 3 minus, apply the lower limit now. What is it? 0. Y is 0. Whenever we have y, blindly replace it by 0. So every term becomes 0 by applying lower limit whole into dx. Okay. Now simplify the inside terms. Integral x is equal to 0 to 1. Take these terms of x square to inside. X square into 1, x square minus x cube plus 1 minus x whole cube by 3 whole into dx. Don't expand this using by a minus b whole cube formula. Just keep this term as similar term. Okay. Now take the integration with respect to x. Integral x square is x cube by 3 minus integral x cube is x power 4 by 4 and integration of 1 minus x whole cube like x power n formula. So you will get 1 minus x whole power 4 by 4. Already 3 is there. That's why 4 3s are 12. But coefficient of x is negative, that's why write minus in the below. Integration is completed, so it is enough to substitute the values of x. First apply the upper limit. Whenever we have x, you can blindly apply upper limit 1. So you will get 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus into minus minus. By substituting x is equal to 1, already here we have 1. 1 minus 1, 0. And don't forget to apply lower limit, which is x is equal to 0. 0 by anything, 0. Minus of minus plus 0. And again we have minus of minus plus. But here we have 1 minus 0. 1 by 2. Maybe sometimes in some problems by applying lower limit 0, every term becomes 0. But don't put blindly 0 by applying lower limit. It is very important. Sometimes you will get a term when applying lower limit 0, which is 1 by 12 here. So 12 is the LCM. 4 times minus 3 times plus 1. So 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. 2. 2 by 12, which is 1 by 6. This is the value of the given double integral x square plus y square dy dx over the given region is 1 by 6. This is the final conclusion.